How to use MC5000 with Thermologger Duo for battery monitoring. Connect the probe lead to the Thermologger Duo, ensuring correct orientation. Attach the probe to the battery surface using the included copper foil tape. Hold the power button for 2 seconds until the indicator LED flashes slowly. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Open the SkyCharger app. Tap plus to add the device. Enter the password. Tap the temperature icon in the upper right corner. Tap Bind. Tap Set. Link the thermocouple to the battery slot. Tap Save and return to the main interface. Tap the settings icon. Select the desired temperature unit. Turn on the temperature protection threshold. Set the temperature protection threshold value. Tap OK and return to the main interface to view the temperature. Short press the slot button to enter the channel and check the temperature.